I would do like a T or the H. He's gonna be on glass. 1, 2, 3, and I'm pushing this thing straight down at a 45. When I'm hitting his RF basket, he's gonna count 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, engage his props or arm his props, start to fly. I'll come back over, safe away, where I'm just trying now to keep this beam spread aimed at the TAI and talk to you guys the same way your crew chiefs would when you're coming into a landing and you're just trying to maintain forward speed. You can go through a hover, probably not with a shutter, and you're just cruising and coasting, flying for MPG rather than RPM.
Flight, we're requesting that you push due east in order to get a better angle on the bird. Bird. VTX, good link quality, over. Flight, Trident, LZ is clear.
Drone secured. Mission accomplished.